Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy A03s. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them. Now you need to click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, simply open it. Then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, select Receive on Samsung and Send over here. Then you need to click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input key over here and choose Receive or simply scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, you can always click on the scanning icon over here, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into Samsung folder, click on My Files and tap on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!